You might have heard of income inequality, but what is it and how do we measure it? Take this population of 10 people with 100 pellets to represent their income. Like in countries around the world, not everyone makes the same amount. To measure the extent of this inequality, we can use something called the Gini coefficient. Let's first order the population by income. Now we can count through it, making two piles as we go. One will show us the total proportion of people that we've counted through, and the other the total income counted so far. The height of each pile is graphed here. Let's first do this for an equal population. As I count through it, you can see that the piles stay the same. When I count 10% of people, I've counted 10% of income, and so on, creating a straight line. Now it gets interesting. When I run the same process for our unequal population, you begin to see the income counted pile lag behind the people counted one. In this example population, for instance, you can see that when I've counted half the people, I've only counted 13% of the income. That's a huge gap. When I finish this, I get a curve called the Lorenz curve. If I compare that to our equal population curve, you can see that there's an area between them. And the proportion of that area over the total area underneath our line of equality is the extent of our inequality, a ratio from 0 to 1, also known as the Gini coefficient. But wait, why does this work? Well, at every moment you can see that the vertical element of this area shows us by how much our total counted income lagged behind that of an equal population. If you add up all those differences, that's what gets you to your inequality into the Gini coefficient. In turn, Gini can be used by economists and governments throughout the world, shaping public policy and billions of lives.